My favorite birds. How intelligent you all are, speaking your own language. Which a lot of people don't know. Between ravens and crows, that you have like 75 words in your vocabulary that is not mutually intelligible from coast to coast. I don't even know what the difference is in another country, but New York crow and ravens don't understand California crow and ravens, which is very, very interesting to me, you know? I would think that's like maybe like Cantonese and Mandarin speakers, or like Hindi and, you know, maybe like Andhra, Telugu speakers, possibly. Very interesting.